Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के वीडियो में I am recommending some new makeup products. I am a makeup artist and I love testing out new makeup products that works great on Indian skin tones. And here I am with another video. I hope you like it. All the products will be mentioned in the description box below in case you want to buy out. Let's not make this intro more long and let's dive into the video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Squash. I'm a makeup artist. I make makeup related content videos for you guys. So if you are interested, please hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to click the bell icon below so that when I upload a video, you are notified. And now let's dive into the video. So the first product that we have is the Dot and Key Tinted Sunscreen. How cool is this product? You get SPF 50 PA 4 plus and a tint in it. It has this beautiful natural sheer coverage. It blends super easily into your skin. It is not that chip, but it leaves a very natural coverage, which I like the most. I literally use this product every single day. It is also very light in weight. I love the formula and I will 100% recommend it to you all. Use this, and I feel it's best for all the college going girls or an office going girls. If you don't like doing makeup every single day but you want to look presentable, I feel this one should be there in your vanity. It will give you that natural coverage that you need. So the next product that we have is the ELF Soft Glam Satin Foundation. Oh my god, I love this foundation. It's super lightweight. It has a medium to high coverage. Obviously, you can build it up according to your preference. I love the formula. It's not too thick, not a running consistency, but a proper formula that you can just blend out into your skin. It blends super effortlessly, and I will say it gives you that perfect natural finish that you want for everyday basis. So currently, whenever I'm shooting any video, I am using this foundation and it looks fabulous on camera as well. I will highly recommend you all, if you are a beginner and you really want to test out new foundation, I feel this one is the best choice. The next product that we have is the Tipsy Beauty concealers. Oh my god, I have not used any concealer like this. It has a good coverage concealer, high coverage concealer है ये. As soon as I apply it, you will see the coverage. It just beautifully hides all the pigmented areas, highlight the high points so beautifully. And can you see how easily this just blends into your skin? It gives you that good hydration. बिल्कुल केकी नहीं करता. I've been using this concealer on my clients and trust me, ये काफी अच्छा लगता है हर skin type पे. I love the finish of this concealer and I will say this performed like an luxury one. I love it and I feel this is worth investing. अगर आप एक makeup artist हो and if you want to buy a good drugstore concealer that performs like a luxury one, I will highly recommend you to buy this one. This performs incredible. Next product is a contour stick. This is from the Tipsy Beauty. It's in the shade chocolate. This looks very similar to Charlotte Tilbury Wand. I love this product. This is a perfect balance between a contour and a bronzing. The undertones of this product are superly good for brown skin tones. It does not look so harsh, and also this does not create any patches on your face. I love how smoothly this blends into my skin, giving me that snatched looking face. I also love that this product does not move my base, which is a good sign. I love the formula. It blends super easily, super lightweight, yet gives me that snatched looking face. This particular one gets a thumbs up from my side because this works so beautifully on my face, and I love doing contouring from this product. So the next product that we have is a blush. How can I not include a blush? And recently I started using the Simply Nam Velvet Cream Blush. I love this blush. I love the shade. It complements my skin tone so beautifully. Again, these blushes are very lightweight, blends super easily into your cheeks. I love the dewy, velvety, creamy formula. The texture is so beautiful, gives you that natural sheer coverage. You can of course build up this blush. For the price point, I feel this ones are the best pick. अगर आपको नए ब्लशेस में इन्वेस्ट करना है या ट्राई आउट करना है कोई नया ब्लश, I will highly recommend you to try out the Simply Nam blush. I feel the formula, the consistency, everything feels so beautiful once you apply it. Last 1 week, I am so obsessed using this blush because even it looks good when you're not applying a full face of makeup, and if you put it on your bare cheeks, I feel this just gives you that flawless flush of color that your cheeks need. Moving on to the next product, we have the Mrucha Beauty Lush Ink Markers. I love the concept of markers. I love this product. It gives you that beautiful contour effect to your lips. The shade No Cap suits my skin tone so beautifully. It's super lightweight and very easy to apply. The tip of this product is very precise, and I love for the price point it comes. It's a very good steal on price. You can get in Indian market. I love the product. I love this new discovery of lip markers, and I love the longevity of this product, which is why I am recommending it this to you all. This stays for good 7 to 8 hours and leaves a beautiful tint to your lips. You don't need to carry extra lip liners along with you. Once you're done applying this, you are good to go for a day. I love this product and I will highly recommend if you want to try out some new discoveries, this one you should definitely try out. Moving on to the next product is literally internet made me buy this product. I have been seeing everywhere the Simply Nam liquid lipstick going viral, and I don't know why everybody are talking about this. So in the FOMO, I got myself this particular one. This is in the shade Hana Mauve. I loved it. I don't regret buying this product at all. I love this brown color on me. It suits my skin tone so beautifully. It will go with almost all of my outfits. I love the texture, the smoothness. It does not feel dry at all. It is quite hydrating, I will say. It just looks so beautiful on Indian skin tone, on my skin tone especially. I love this lipstick, and for the price point, I feel it's slightly expensive. I will say that, but for an experience, I love it. I love the shade, and that's what matter to me. If a lipstick is complementing my skin tone, I am happy with that. So yeah, I will recommend you if you are into this dark brown lipstick shades, you should definitely try out for yourself. And with that, we have came to the last product of this video. I'm talking about the Tear Makeup Fixer. Why people are not talking about this particular one? I love this product. This has a very beautiful formula, especially the spray particles are so fine. This does not create any patches on my skin. It leaves a dewy natural finish, which I like the most. I like to use it while doing my makeup and also for setting my makeup. I love this product. It has this dewy natural coverage, which I love the most. If you can see right now also, I have not applied any highlighter on my face, but see that dewy finish that this has given. I love this product, and I feel if you have not tried it yet, you can go and grab it for yourself. And with that, we come towards the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this mini haul, the mini recommendation video. I love making such videos, and you let me know in the comment section below which other videos you want me to make. And don't forget to press on the like and the share button. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.